name is Donnie Jackson, and I'm a reverse engineering specialist. Early in my career, I worked for Sulzer and at a large shop that worked on nothing but large verticals. You know, I was exposed to reverse engineering from the beginning, and basically we reverse engineered parts that were needed. We started out, you know, as far as drawing by hand, and then we slowly evolved to AutoCAD and at a fair arm and 3D solid modeling. I mean, reverse engineering is a tool, you know, that you need in this type of industry, you know, because there's nowhere to go for spare parts. I mean, the large pumps, you know, a lot of the original OEMs are out of business, or, you know, they've been modified or re-engineered in some repair. So, you know, you may be trying to create a part and fit it back into a specific pump that may be not standard. So when you have that issue, then you have to reverse engineer. You have to measure mating parts. You have to make sure you can make it fit back into that pump and, you know, make it work for the customer. So, you know, that's where reverse engineering, it really shines.